Hello, what's up guys? Today is another day, so I surprised my uncle. But anywho, I'm here now at the harbour side, where all the ships and factory. I don't know what's going on at the moment, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of things here, and I don't know what's what. So Lion King's right over there. Oh, where can I go? Oh, right there. There's a theatre. Lion King's playing. For those that haven't seen Lion King live in the theatre, make sure you go and check it out because Lion King is actually sick. Yeah, trust me, one of the best ones. Shrek is actually quite good as well. You go and watch that. So as I'm walking, there's two things you guys should bear in mind, right? I hate two things. That's fish and pizza. The reason why is because I've had it so many times in my life that I've kind of got bored of it and I don't like the taste of it. Yes, I know it's hard to say. Pizza is actually nice. I do have a margarita every now and then, but still, I won't have it. Like, I won't have like a chicken or I don't know what all these pizzas are called anymore. But anywho, I won't have it. But I'm walking by this harbour side, right, and all I can see is fish shops and pizza shops, which doesn't help because once again my tummy is telling me that I'm hungry. Yeah, although a hot drink would be very, very nice at the moment. It's really packed here. Look at this. It is cold. My toes are freezing, and I'm just walking into the abyss. And I don't think I'm gonna get past this crowd because this crowd is waiting for the next boat. So you pay at these little, yes, the brethrens are shouting. So you pay at these little shops and you buy a ticket and then you get to go on a boat, which takes you for a little spin, and then you come back. Nothing too fancy. And the sun is shining right into my eyes, that's why I look a bit orange at the current period of time. Got some fancy shops that sell all these little fancy souvenirs. I'm not interested into that. So I'm just gonna keep on walking, and everyone's still wondering why the hell I'm talking to the camera, and my arm's getting tired, and I'm complaining again, and I'm about to stop complaining. Jesus, I look orange as hell, bloody hell. Right, that's better. If I block the sun. Oh, ish. Crazy how whenever you go to these little tourist fancy shops, you'll never find a name like Bako. You'll never find an Asian name like that. Is it even an Asian name, a nickname, whatever it is? Anywho, what point being is, you never find your own name on there. It's like the most generic, general names on there. Yeah, for those that do not know, the doner here in Germany, Netherlands, Belgium, I always keep mentioning these three countries, but honestly, man, you need to try the doner that they sell over here because it's absolutely sick. It tastes very, very good. This is what I hate about summer, winter. This is what I hate about it, man. The sun literally goes down at like 4 o'clock. It's crazy. And then it's dark, and then that means vlogging becomes very difficult because there is no light. And no matter how good your camera is, it won't be the same. Find myself a hot drink, honestly, because it's been about 10 minutes I've been walking alongside this harbour and I still can't find anything. My feet are cold, and once again I'm complaining to you guys. Why? Because there's no one else I can complain to besides you guys. So here I am, complain. Yo guys, just before I go, I just noticed this, right? They've got some next level B-Tech Paris lock bridge here. Oh, they got the names on it as well, look. That is Dock 10 over there. If I zoom in slowly as I talk, it's where they create the that's where they make the ships, and also where they wash it and everything, and behind them is where all the trading and everything happens. But anyways, Dock 10 is the place. You can see it's very long. That's where the ships go. They're made, they're washed and all sorts, and repaired. But yeah, that's a very fancy fact for you guys to remember. I think that's it for my third day here. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow when I go down to the zoo, hopefully, in theory, let's hope, because it's cold. I don't know what the policy and stuff here is. I don't know whether all the animals are indoors or something. I don't know. Catch you guys tomorrow for some zoo action. Peace.